Hey guys, it's Megan, and as you can see behind me, there is progress. We have paint on this wall, and let me see if I can get a little bit more. Yeah, there we go. We have paint on this wall. We have paint on these walls. This is a gray. All this is gray. Let's see. Yep. All this is gray. All the spackling has been done and the sanding. We're eventually going to put crown molding, but I didn't want to leave it like this, so I went all the way up with the paint, which is what I'm going to do here. We have the hallway all painted up. There we go. Everything is painted. All this is painted. This is where the trim is going to go, so I'm not concerned. All this is painted, and as you can see, most of the furniture is back in place for now. I still have to paint this wall, which I'm going to finish today. This is going to be a yellow, but I don't want to finish it until this wall is finished. And this wall hasn't been painted. I'm not sure if I'm going to start gray or start yellow. So this wall has been painted. Everything's been put back on the wall. Some of the electrical plates have been put back on. Kitchen still needs to be done. We're working our way this way. Hopefully by next week we should at least have the cabinets painted and put back in place. All this needs to be switched out to sheetrock and then the bottom durock so that I can tile a backsplash. I really don't know if I'm going to get rid of this counter and start all over right now, or if I'm just going to wait till phase 2 of the house renovation and get the countertops done. Not sure, depending. A lot of reasons why this is still open is electrical. The electrical in this house was kind of weird. As you can see, let's see this wire is just hanging. This box was just screwed into the paneling. It wasn't screwed into the 2x6s or anything else. It's just a wire hanging with a wire attached. Let me move this. And so my husband has been fixing these and putting them in an actual box like that one that is on the 2x6. What he's going to do with this one is, this is going to be the one we're plugging the refrigerator into, so he's going to put it where that one is. That one is going to go closer to where the cabinet is. Let me see. Which is here. So it's going to be here so that I can have another place to plug appliances here in the kitchen. So I would have one here, I would have one here, and I have one over there. And originally, I was going to paint this one wall, but I thought about it because now I'm thinking these plugs are for the kitchen, the dining room, and the kitchen. I don't want to have to walk all the way to the front door, although my first thought was when I walk through the door I want to be able to flick one of these lights on, but these are outdoor lights, so I can always flick one of these on and get into the house and then come around and flick these on. I want these here in the kitchen because when I walk to the kitchen, it's funny, when I walk to the kitchen my first impulse is to reach over here and flick on a light. So I thought if he can, the closest place that my husband can move these is here. So this wall's coming back down. He's going to move these 2 plugs over here, and that'll complete the kitchen dining electrical renovation. So we still have that hole to deal with. I'm just being lazy. I don't want to take all these tiles down, but I will. And so that is progress today. Fireplace here. I went to Home Depot and I saw some tile that I wanted to get for it, but I don't know, it's kind of expensive, so I'm off to see if I find a cheaper tile that is less expensive but has the same effect. So that's it for today. I hope to have some more updates. I've elected also to put a cabinet at the end here where the refrigerator ends to make it just a uniform end, but I'm not going to put a cabinet here. I'm going to just extend the countertop past the garbage cans and put some legs so that it boxes out the garbage cans, but it doesn't add cabinetry, you know. I don't know, because I'm still torn on what I'm gonna do with the floor. Either tile everything from here over and hardwood floor everything from here over, or hardwood floor everything. So that's up in the air as well. That's why I haven't gotten that far yet. Anyway, today we are going to Lowe's, and I may bring you with us. Okay, so bye for now. Lowe's is the next video. See ya.